In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website using Hostinger Website Builder. If you've been looking to establish an online presence, you're in the right place. This user-friendly tool will guide you through the process seamlessly, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have your own customized website up and running. Let's dive in. First off, you're going to log into the Hostinger Website Builder. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Hostinger website. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials and access your dashboard. For those who haven't yet signed up, you'll want to create an account. Don't worry, the process is straightforward and will only take a few moments. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a variety of templates to choose from. These templates are professionally designed and categorized, making it easier for you to find one that suits your website's purpose. As you browse through, take your time to preview a few options. Whether you're planning a personal blog, a portfolio, or even an online store, there's a template crafted to meet your needs. After you've examined the available templates, select one that aligns with your website goals. This selection is important because it sets the foundation for your site's design and functionality. Think about the message you want to convey and who your audience will be. By ensuring the template fits your vision, you'll be setting yourself up for success. With your template chosen, it's time for customization. This is where the fun really begins because you get to personalize your site so it reflects your unique style and brand. You'll have the ability to change up the content, swap out images, and adjust colors. Each element of your website is designed to be editable with just a few clicks. For content, think about integrating engaging headlines and informative text. For images, choose visuals that enhance your brand's identity. As for colors, select a palette that complements your overall theme and appeal to your visitors. As you're customizing your website, remember to save your work regularly. This ensures that your hard work won't be lost and provides a safeguard against any potential technical glitches. Once you're satisfied with the look and feel of your site, there's only one more step to undertake: publishing. When everything is in place, hit the publish button. This will launch your website live onto the internet, ready for the world to see. Congratulations, you've just built and launched a website using Hostinger Website Builder. Now you can share it with family, friends, and prospective viewers. And there you have it. An easy and efficient way to create your own personalized website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're proud of your new online presence. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more guides like this one.